Baking must go on even after holidays. This time, we're making a healthy baked breakfast in ramekins or any other mini baking dishes. So let's get to it right away. Set the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit to preheat. Slice or chop a combination of your favorite mushrooms. In this episode, we've used the cremini and white shimeji mushroom variety, and any other mushrooms will work beautifully. Take a non-stick skillet and heat it on medium for a couple minutes. Then brown the sliced mushrooms without adding any oil. Do it in batches so that mushrooms fry, releasing their juices and rich flavors and get their brown color. Then mix all batches together, season with a pinch of salt, add a knob of butter, and stir to coat the mushrooms well. Add a large heap of baby spinach and cook until spinach softens and gets its darker green look. Turn off the heat and set it aside. Prepare a deep baking tray and the ramekins or individual mini baking dishes. Grease them with melted butter and place in a deep baking tray. Distribute the cooked mushrooms and spinach between the mini dishes so that they fill about half of every dish. Add a layer of freshly grated parmesan on top of the mushrooms and spinach and spread it evenly. Then make a hole in the center of every mini dish and gently pour a large egg into it. Season the eggs with a small pinch of salt and a couple grains of black pepper, then pour heavy cream around the egg yolk in every ramekin. Slowly add hot water into the deep baking dish so that it covers about half of the ramekins, and avoid pouring the water into the ramekins themselves. Carefully send the tray into the oven for about 15 minutes if you like a creamy yolk. Keeping it to 12 minutes will provide you with a runny yolk, and 20 minutes in the oven will cook the eggs through well. This breakfast is great on its own. One of the other options is serving it with homemade bread, a small heap of fresh arugula, and chili pepper flakes to add a bit of heat to this amazingly simple and tasty dish. All ingredients, measurements, and equipment are listed in the description below, so check them out. Thanks for watching us today, and join us again next week for a quick Thai salad recipe we want to share with you. Stay well, folks, and see you again in the next episode.